Placement density is a key metric in chip design that measures how tightly components like standard cells or blocks are packed on the silicon die. This density directly impacts several important factors. A higher density can reduce chip size and cost by using silicon more efficiently, and it can enhance performance by shortening signal paths. However, pushing density too high can lead to routing congestion, making it more difficult to connect components and potentially lowering manufacturing yield. There is also a power trade-off. While shorter wires reduce power consumption, extremely dense layouts may increase leakage currents. The placement density map visually shows areas of different density, helping designers balance these factors to improve chip performance, manufacturability, and cost. Managing and understanding placement density is crucial for achieving an effective physical design.